Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change out your reverse light bulb on the Honda Civic. Start out by opening up the trunk. And then in order to get to the back side of the trunk, we're going to have to peel back this trunk carpet. Depending on what side you're working on, you can probably get by with just taking a partial section of the trunk carpet and peeling it back in order to gain access to the back. I'm going to go ahead and take the whole carpet off just to make it easier for filming. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to have to remove these clips, and I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver to come out real easy. You just get between the clip and pry out on the center portion. So the clip is in the carpet like that. So it's going to come around to the side. You can see that section that has a little notch in it. Put the flathead in there and just pry up on the middle, and it pops that middle part out. And when that pops out, then you can just pull it out by, or with your hand rather. And then once all the clips are out, the carpet just comes right off. So here is the back of the taillight, and this is the socket that holds your reverse bulb. And to remove that, we're just going to take it and we're going to turn it counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn, and then just pull out on it. And there's your bulb. And to remove the bulb, just hold the socket in one hand, and with the other hand, just pull directly out on the bulb. And then take your new bulb, and I'll put in the description below on which bulb you need for a replacement. And I'm going to take it, and you can see that there's like two sets of prongs there. You just want to make sure that you put the bulb in between the prongs, like so, and then press it into your little clip, and then take it and put it back in. And you want to take the socket and you want it to get seated before you start to turn it clockwise, so you can see where it's out, and that's where it's seated right there. And then turn it and lock it in. So it's not seated, not seated. Alright, now we're in. Turn it clockwise, quarter of a turn. Now we're locked in. And then you just want to put your carpet back up, put your clips back in, and you're all done. That's it guys. That's how you replace your backup light bulb. Thanks for watching.